Panang Curry. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoons Panang Curry paste, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 2 pounds chicken breasts, cut into pieces against the grain, 1 small onion, sliced, 1 green bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced, 2 teaspoons freshly grated ginger, 4 garlic cloves, minced, 2 14 ounces canned coconut milk, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, 1/4 cup light brown sugar, packed, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 cup loosely packed basil leaves, roughly chopped. Hot cooked rice white, brown or jasmine. Directions: heat oil over medium-high heat in large non-stick skillet. Saute onions for 2 minutes, then add bell peppers, garlic and ginger and saute for 2 minutes more. Add curry paste and peanut butter and saute for 1 minute. Add 1½ cans of coconut milk. Whisk cornstarch into remaining half can coconut milk, then add to the pan. Stir well. Add chicken, stirring to coat. Simmer for 10-15 minutes or just until chicken is no longer pink and sauce begins to thicken. Stir in sugar, fish sauce, lime juice, and basil. Simmer for 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper, to taste. Serve over hot cooked rice.